Hi everyone, today we're going to look at a few more mathematical formulas in Excel, and those are round, round up, round down and truncate. I've got a number here that we can use for these formulas. So round. So basically it takes two parameters. One is the number that you want to round, and then the second is the number of digits to which you want this number to be rounded to. So I've got, I think 8 digits after the decimal point. So if I say 2 here, it will round those 8 digits to only 2. So instead of 1 2 8 here, it should make it 1 3, as simple as that. There you go. Now let's make it 0. 0, that will change it to the nearest integer. So 12.12 is actually closer to 12, so it makes it 12. Now let's look at this number. Let's change it a little bit. So instead of 1 2, I'll make it 9 2 and see how it behaves. So it became 13 now, based on how close this value is to the next integer. So 12.92 is closer to 13, so it made it 13. Now this formula is good as long as you're not too bothered about which way your rounding works. Now in cases where you specifically want to round up a number or round down, then you don't want to use the round formula, because here Excel provides you a specific formula that serves you the exact purpose. So round up, as the name indicates, it simply rounds the number up to the nearest value. So let's take this one and say 0 digits. Now these two formulas have returned the same value. Alright, now that's because it's close to 13. Now let's change it a little bit. So instead of 9 2, I'll say 1 2. Now see the difference. Round up, it will always round upwards, whereas round, you can't really predict. It will go to the nearest value, whether rounded up or rounded down. Now round down, let's take the same value here, and number of digits, let's say 0. So it rounds down regardless of whatever decimal value you have here. Rounds down. Now let's say instead of 2 zeros, let's mention 2 here. So 9 2 8, so it will simply make it 9 2 and forget about everything else. Now let's look at truncate. The formula is just Trunc, Trunc. So what it does, basically, it doesn't round up or round down a number. Now we've got 6 digits, or rather 8 digits here after the decimal point. Now I don't need all those, I just need 2 digits. So if I mention 2 here, it simply drops everything else after the 2 digits from the decimal point. Whereas if I say 0, it drops all the decimal points. Alright, so we've learned today about round, round up, round down, and the truncate formula. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.